Salutations, welcome back to Tom Mods Things. Today we're in my Porsche Cayman and we are driving not to a car show. Fortunately, it's a little bit rubbish weather for that this weekend, but what we are doing is my mate's just picked himself up a brand new car, so what I thought we'd do is we'd go over and take a look around it, because my understanding is he's also got some really interesting cars in his workshop that he's building at the moment and various projects, so it should be good. We'll head there, we'll go and have a look, and I'll get back to you as soon as we get there. So as soon as Right, there we have it, guys. So that was interesting, a lot of cool stuff in there. Hopefully it kind of came across on camera. It's got a fair amount of projects and cars on the go, some really interesting stuff, so I'll be sure to touch base again as those sort of projects progress, and maybe have caffeine machine and stuff and a few other shows together. So yeah, so anyway, so if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. Next sort of videos are going to be fitting the Pandem kit, I think, so be sure to check in on that. It's going to be an interesting ride, let's say, with getting that kit on. It's going to be a fairly big project, it's quite intensive. So yeah, so anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.